play. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending